Hello everybody and welcome to another... What was that? You know I stream on Twitch every single day? Well, what the hell am I here for? Go enjoy the video. Mulligan. Also mulligan. Sure. Maybe cancel. Hold on. Let's think about this. Do we try to Skelemental Zerk out of the game? It's not gonna work. Let's do it. Not gonna work, but I'm gonna try it anyways. Eldritch Evolution, Strangleroot, guys. Take the Strangleroot, guys. So fast. Might EE the bird, do a grist. Update. Alright. Grist. I got a bone to pick with you. I'm gonna have to attack the grist with one Skelemental. All the Warrior War music sounds the same. All of this sounds the same. Alright, I'm off it. Demon Souls music. Demon Souls is fantastic. Is the Zerk boss battle after all? Like it's only fitting. Hey, bunny. Drew a chord. Actually, I'm going to drop this land instead of playing it because I want to get this Croxa back. Chord for 3. Good chord for endurance. Endurance? Take 6. What a Chad. Go. Green protection from dinosaurs. I just need Zerk to never draw Yogg. Lily. Lily kind of is terrible here. I guess we'll start on Lily and then play Torok. Edict Dew. Yeah, gotcha. Gotcha. It's not looking good for us. I have 5 damage coming across. 2 blockers. Why aren't I winning? Because I forgot to play Torok on the previous turn. I get to flashback the Spyro tokens. If I block as minimally as possible, still don't think I win. Fuck. X with all that. I don't want to die to Geralf's Messenger. Could just block like this. Die to a Geralf's Messenger. But they would have to have Eldritch Evolution. Alright, I'm just gonna block like this. If they had Eldritch Evolution, I feel like they would have used it already. Get a Yogg. But what do I know? Another blocker. We're the greatest. Never didn't have it. I kind of hate Croxa against them. I think I'd rather have like Blood Moon. Seems fun. Maybe 3K command is the move. We drew the K command, which was enough. Hitsugu's not that good against them, I don't think. At least I haven't found it to be very good against them. Torok's also kind of mid, so maybe Hitsugu's better than Torok. Bring it on the play if we lose this game. When we lose this game. Kek W. I go. They get the chance to... You get the chance to sudden edict anybody yesterday? No. Unfortunately not. So I think the card's decent though. Alright, it's time to run a Skelemental trade now. Choo choo. All aboard the Skelemental train. Choo choo. Discards the Endurance. Surprised they didn't want to cast the Endurance. Oh, he said, oops, click too fast. Now we're in the K command waiting room. Second Strangleroot. Terminate. Well, I can kill Wall of Roots. Or I can kill the things that are killing me. I guess I probably kill a Strangleroot Geist. Just eat it with hers. I guess I could have eaten both of them. Kind of want to save this in case I draw a K command though. I could have like killed both of them and eaten both. Cake man. Not a cake man. Never a cake man. Take one more hit. Ouch. That's what we've been waiting for. That's what we've been waiting for. That cake man right there. White Hammer have a chance? It absolutely has a chance. Red Green Eldrazi. I need to test Red Green Eldrazi some more. Red White Scam, like the spike deck. It's just Boros Stoneblade with a fancy new name. Giant. So it's Amulet. Make a poll. What to play in tonight's prelim? Boros Stoneblade. John Soulshift. 4-color Vivian. Steve. Damn you, Steven. I wonder if I should Croxa or just leave up Terminate. I saw Croxa. I guess we could burn points and play Red Green Eldrazi. And then we need one more deck. Scion Rhinos. Do a 5-minute poll chat. Let me know. Hey, to go Rez, thank you so much for the raid. Hope you had a great stream. Thank you. Maybe I just cycle this Unearth at this point and draw land. Bingo. Bongo. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not gonna do it. And the Skelemental's gonna get to connect. Or I could just Torok them. I guess I should Torok. Smash. Transmute. You're only making my Torok stronger. They need to get something I can cast this turn. They got a Bog. Oops. Might as well just cast this for the damage. They're never gonna have cards in hand again. Whatever they're drawing, they're playing. Then we're gonna draw Prime Time. Oof. Did we do it? We did it. I want to cut some lightning bolts. Maybe Torok. Maybe a Kroxa. I think we'll leave 2 lightning bolts and get this Fury in here. I don't remember how I boarded last time against them. Maybe I left the Torok in. Chun Soul Shift absolutely crushing the poll right now. And not even crushing, actually. She's only 2 votes ahead. I think this is fine. Seems reasonable. Like, Dot sees you, kill your amulet. Dot sees you again. Prime time, turn the earth. I quote, fuck it, I got 3k commands. We'll be aight. I don't think I care about turn the earth. So between prime time and endurance, probably gonna have to be, they have 3 bounce lands in hand. This isn't even a good hand by them. We'll take the endurance because I'm gonna thought seize the Titan later. Hand's not very good at all. Oh baby. That one seems like a good draw. Jun Soul Shift winning the poll. Alright, we can jam some Jun Soul Shift later. Not a problem. This Skelemental card has been very impressive. There might be something to it. Yeah, less bolts, more combo decks. What's Soul Shift? It's Jund Scape Shift, or it's Jund Titan Shift rather, with Soul of Windgrace in it. That's not bad, no. It's a good deck, very good deck. Do you mean Soul Shift the mechanic? No, I don't mean Soul Shift the mechanic. So I get to pop the amulet, pop a construct here. Or alternatively, I could pop amulet, buy back Skelemental. Is that better? I guess it is. Yeah, they have Titan in hand. So I need to kill the amulet for sure. So that way they can't draw a bounce land and cast the Titan. Where's return, destroy an artifact? Return, pop. They can't cast Titan, right? They can replay this Radiant Fountain. They can't cast Titan. I think it's just too juicy not to do. Slap. Yes. Go. I see the Jam Spyro, discard the 2 dead discard spells now. Another one. No, you don't want to deal damage to yourself in that deck. You just want to be ramping and interacting and not playing Thoughtseize. No, I think you just want to be like, bolt your Ragavan, cast my ramp spells after that. I don't think you want to be attacking their hand very much. Maybe like against Blood Moon it would be okay. Big Skelly. My big Skelly. I said I don't really need to attack because Dothy's threatening lethal anyways. Those hangbacks when I died to an artifact. Dryad, sure. They're dead. Double queuing again. Ah, shit, here we go again. Ends fantastic. Oh shit, here we go again. It's like the GTA meme. Alright. It's Skelemental time. They binding that, something tells me they don't have a lightning bolt. I guess I was correct. Playing hammer. I could turn to K command them. Or I could Thoughtseize them. Plus hold up terminate. I think I like Thoughtseizing them a little bit better. Take a Stoneforge Mystic. Pure Steel Hammer, Stoneforge Mystic, Urza Saga. Holy shit, this hand's good. I gotta take the Stoneforge Mystic. And I like terminate this thing. I would have double white for now. Oh shit. How did this happen? Please don't have a Spell Pierce. I went for the higher upside play. I should have just terminated it. That's fine. Back to single queuing now. Where's the Saga? The Pure Steel Hammer unknown in hand. I guess I should try to clock them. Play Dothy maybe. It was close, because I could play Kroxa and then make them discard something, because all 3 of the cards in their hand are very good. Back to fetch, get a second white source. They could play Pure Steel, Hammer, and then have skill up maybe. I could just pass also. If I want to trade this, then that's fine. I'm cool with that. Skill. Are they putting a hammer on it? I don't know if that's the right play. Maybe I just let this go. I guess I deal 2, destroy the hammer. Or maybe it's destroy the hammer, make him discard. Problem destroy the hammer, make him discard is that's my entire turn. I have no answer to the Pure Steel Paladin. They're gonna make a second one. Not great, but it is what it is. Discarded hammers that Pure Steel in hand. So imagine they just make another thing, right? Make another thing, put a hammer on it. Hopefully they didn't draw a land. Kind of hoping they just drew some, like, Shadow Spear. So, I mean, they drew a hammer. To draw land. That's actually not that bad for me. I'd be much more scared of a hammer here. I can play my own. I currently have a card holder's loan account, but for giggles, revisited Mana Trader's pricing just now. Did they get rid of the stopwatch style? Yeah, they did. They don't have mana hours anymore. I can also grab a Marsh Flats. Just attack also, play second Dothy. I don't hate that. I think I just attack, play second Dothy. Yeah, they got rid of it. They just ask you to return your cards when you're done playing with them. They don't actually put you on like a strict timer anymore. Attack me for 6. A lot of things win the game here, including a land. That works. Scooping it up. They give you like up to a week to finish your league realistically before they send you a warning message. Giga Man has been great all day. We'll say that. It has shocked people for lethal so many times. And it's Sugu, Fury, Engineered Explosives. I don't think we can lose this matchup. Holy bully, we have all the tools. I don't even hate Brutality either. I kind of hate Lily though. Get out your Lily. Random Shock MVP. We'll try this. Got the turn 1 Inquisition. Aww. Ooh. Ooh. I can't even get a red source. Ooh. Another red source at some point. I can only get 1, not 2. I don't think it's as good as Scam. But I think it's really, really cool. I like the Skelementals a lot. I think they've been very powerful all day. Stoneforge Mystic, sure. Cigar to Zade, Hammer. Well, I think the choice is clear. You brought me more cake. More cake for my man. I think I'm just gonna let him draw a card here. Kill both these things. In reality, I just want to draw land. Produces red. That'd be the best. Skill. Sure. Pain. Could cycle the Unearth. That might be okay. Trips Hammer. 3 of a kind, all hammer. Stoneforge. Playing hammers. This is a pure steel. There's the Graven Cairns. So I get the Spyro. Discard Elemental, Unearth 1 back. Deal 6 to them, make them discard the last hammer. And they're probably gonna get a Shadow Spear and attack me. Eggman is pretty fantastic here. Make a token. Untap, get a Shadow Spear, make a token. They're pretty big tokens. So I get to buy back Elemental, pop the Shadow Spear maybe? Maybe pop a Construct. Got a Springleaf Drum, not a Shadow Spear. Oh, they drew the Shadow Spear. That's problematic. Alright, well I no longer think getting the Skelemental back is good. So I guess I pop the Construct that they attack with that has the Shadow Spear on it. It at least buys me some time. Make them discard. I don't know. I could see an argument to popping the Shadow Spear, but then I'm just like jumping for a couple turns. I don't really know what I'm drawing to. I guess I could draw to Hidetsugu. Pop the Shadow Spear. I guess I'll draw a step, pop the Shadow Spear, make him discard. And I can draw to Hidetsugu. So I can chump with the Spyro, chump with an Elemental, make 2. Crack in the Horizon Canopy. Hey Finn, yeah, we're playing some Skelemental today. It's been so far so good. They discarded an Esper Sentinel. Need a Hidetsugu. You are not a Hidetsugu. So I can block for one more turn. And then I'm in danger. I don't even think Hidetsugu's gonna be good enough anymore. Another K command be any good? Not really. EE. EE would be good. Yeah, Pure Steel would kill me at any point. So Hidetsugu's not good enough anymore. Neither is a land. Alright, let's go to game 3 here. Maybe the Lightning Elementals were just like kind of bad. Just do that small change. Trim 1. Sure. Now we're on the play, so we don't get got by Esper Sentinel. This would probably be better as a Lightning Elemental in this particular hand. But it also revolves or relies on me drawing a 3rd land, which who knows when that's gonna happen. Hopefully soon. Aren't mulling, they are mulling. They're going to 6. Got the Thoughtseize effectively down to 5. Hope this Blood Moon can take out an Urza Saga. Giver of Runes, Esper Sentinel, Sigarda's Aid, Springleaf Drum. I'm gonna take the Sigarda's Aid. I get to push whatever they play next turn. And then ideally I draw Fetch Land. So I can fetch Basic Swamp and then Blood Moon. Take out the Urza Saga. It's all coming up. All coming up, Dingo. Drew Stoneforge. I actually think I Edict them this turn. So they don't have a land, then they can't make a construct. I also cuts them off the Springleaf Drum mana. Kills the Giver, they have to play Esper Sentinel. I don't hate Edicting them. But then they get to draw, like, if they draw a land, they get to go Esper Sentinel. I guess I just moon them instead. Just makes everything awkward for them. Blood Moon's the best thing I can do this turn, I think. They have to tap the Giver to play the Esper Sentinel. And if I ever draw a K command, I can just, like, kill. Uh-oh. That's a problem. That's a very, very big problem. Need a K command. That's so good. Moon them. Peach. I was clutch that I had the targeted removal spell there. As for Sentinel, equip a Shadow Spear to it. I think it's time to drop these two. We're on to bigger, greener, landier pastures. Yeah, their hand's just a Cauldron. Want to buy Hidetsugu. I don't know, maybe like Lily Edicting them was fine, but I could have, like, I don't know, they get to draw a card. So it's not that good for me. Okay. I guess I can even Inquisition, pay the 2. See if they have Blacksmith skill. Or like a Spell Pierce. I know they have a Cauldron. March. Pop. No, I like this Graven Cairns way more. This Graven Cairns is super sweet. I think the Expedition one's kind of eh. This Future Sight one goes hard. Monday morning in the US, I should say. You got Wafo. Best of luck. Get ready for a grind. Flooded Strand Pass. No companion. Are we getting hit by this Ragavan? Indotha Triumph? It could be Rhinos, I guess. Yeah, they're probably Rhinos. Rhinos it is, huh? No Scion. Inquisition's not a bad draw. Get a Leyline Binding my Ragavan. Dead it. Dead my Ragavan. Alright, son, how many Rhinos you got? Oh, holy fuck. Alright. Okay. That's fine. I got this Terminate, though. Watch out for my Terminate move. Torok. You're not Torok. You're a disappointment. Violent Outburst. Well, I guess I can... What the fuck, man? That's not cool. Alright, if they brick for the rest of eternity, we'll be okay. They must simply brick for the rest of eternity. I guess this is fine. We registered Maelstrom Pulse. 8. Go to 1, die. Alright. Well, shit. I have a lot of things to bring in, at least. K-Command is just terrible. I guess Croaks is, like, fine. I don't think I really want these unearths. Could probably trim on a Skelemental or 2. I don't mind Torok, because Torok makes him discard at least. I could probably cut 2 Croaks up. I don't know what I'd want instead. Or I should cut bolts for pushes. That's what I should do. Blood Moon usually isn't enough. Usually need like Blood Moon plus something else. This is Skelemental. I guess the other scam cards are also elementals, so that's not even a good name for it. This is just Skelemental. Sneep. Sneep. So I guess my curve's gonna go turn 1, boop, turn 2, boop. Skellywag. I like that name. I wonder if I'm supposed to commit the chalice early. I guess it gives them less draws into force negation. So I commit the chalice early. They want to fawn me, they can fawn me. I probably have leyline binding for it. There's not much I can do about. Leyline binding is kind of good. Yeah, speaking of leyline binding, being kind of good. Subtlety. Ice. Slash fire. Shardless agent. Violent outburst. Take your fire ice. We currently don't have an answer to chalice. That doesn't mean they won't next turn, which is a terrifying thought. Whatever. Ooh. 3 lands, so they're just gonna play vanilla Shardless Agent. No vanilla Shardless Agent. They have Force of Vigor. Upkeep Fire on the Dothy. That's a lot of lands. I guess I'm gonna fire up Den of the Bugbear then. I don't know. I casted Ice instead, just to try to draw something. I think casting Fire was worth it, because it only puts them to 3. Which is like essentially the same thing, they're dead next turn. I think casting Ice to draw a card and prevent them from drawing Leyline Binding is fine. I'm gonna cast a Subtlety. I'm gonna cast a Shardless Agent. Terminate that. Yo, deck, chill with the lands. Chill, deck, chill. So then they have a Subtlety. Deck, chill. Guess I make them go to 1. Flashing the Subtlety. Blocks the Ragavan, which is fine. At least they're man lands. Sure. I'm actually gonna play the Dothy instead. That also represents lethal next turn. Okay, going into game 3. I think this is fine. Kind of like this configuration. It has another chalice in it, but it has nothing else going for it. I'm actually gonna keep this hand. It is a 1-lander, but it's on the draw, and it's got Hitotsugu as well. Hey. Erkster. Thank you for the tier 1 sub, and welcome back to the Hoodie Gang for the 6th month. Appreciate you, buddy. Ah, shit. It's all falling apart. Alright, deck. Lands like you gave me last game. At least I'm semi-operational on like 2 lands. This may not be the worst. 3 lands would be ideal. Land. Explosives, alright, pass. What about 10 in a row? I would love 10 in a row. I think they have removal. I'd rather not run my Skelemental into a piece of removal. Could just like Leyline Binding, Chalice. Here's they have no answer for the Chalice still. There's a pretty good chance they have a Subtlety, so I'm just gonna cast a Ragavan. Say go. Oxidin. Is this a Subtlety? Otawara. Sure. Wasn't really expecting Otawara, but that's fine. I don't have an opportunity to cast EE for 0 by paying 1 mana. No colorless mana here. Could swing Hitotsugu Chalice. I guess I start off this turn by swinging. Back on my Chalice bullshit. Mm-hmm. Ooh, Blood Moon. I guess I should start dispensing these cards that I'm not going to be able to cast soon. Like Lightning Skelemental. I really wish I drew a land here. Fury, Ardent Plea, hit the graveyard. So I mean, they have another Fury in hand. I think I'm gonna end up screwing myself if I cast this Blood Moon. Discarded a Leyline Binding. I wonder what their last card is. Fury. That makes the most sense. Skelly, Torok. Alright, Torok it is. Pass the turn to you. Can't E on 3. If I was able to E on 3, I would. Unfortunately, I can't. I'm gonna play this instead on 0, get it countered, and then Kroxa. Which is like a really unintuitive play, but it's the right one to make. Type oops in chat. Whoopsies, did I do that? Otawara. How goes the prelim? We 3-0, or we 4-0'd it. We did the thing. How you doing, Tandy? We are the prelim champions today. Otawara, then Scoop. The classic. So how did we feel about Big Skelly? I don't remember what this is called. So it's got 3rd place in the showcase. And we kind of got bodied playing leagues with it, but leagues are full of like random nonsense. And I felt like the prelim was more representative of the current meta a little bit, because we played against what? Hammer, Murktide, Yawgmoth. Did we play against Murktide in the prelim? I think we played against Murktide in the prelim. And then we played against, I don't remember now. So Rhinos, Hammer, Yawg, and I don't remember the last one. I think it was Murktide. It's pretty representative of the metagame. I feel like Skelemental was a powerhouse in pretty much every matchup. I like that a lot. K-Command overperformed all day. I didn't care for 3 copies of Kroxa. Inquisition was pretty bad. I would probably play like 4 Thoughtseize, 3 Inquisition. The Unearths were D's+. You need more Spyro. I don't know what this Lily's doing in here, really. I would trim like this, maybe. You can like leave the Lily, it's fine. I would trim this, though. Play another Terminate. Terminate's so good. I'd probably run it back like this. This seems way better. Mana base was rough sometimes, but you have the Graven Karens as the 2 of to carry you. For like 3 Croaks, it was way too many most of the time. Probably just run 2 along with the 2 Torok. Sideboard felt pretty good. It's very similar to my Scam sideboard. So overall, I think the deck was quite good. Pretty playable if you're trying to jam some Skelementals into people and effectively blightning them. When can we play the actual card Blightning again?
Have you peeked?
Bing bong, bing bong, bing bing bong.
Have you peeked?
You're a third-rate duelist.
I can't take it anymore!